Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to Crestview. That's right, we're in sunny St. James and you're gonna love this property here. We're in a fantastic location. We're walking distance to parks. We've got all levels of schools nearby. We've got shopping nearby, public transportation nearby, and we're on a beautiful street. That's right, we're at 146 Ridley. You're gonna love this property behind me here. 60-year-old home, original owners selling it, straight and solid, beautifully cared for, beautifully maintained. We've got a double detached garage, fully fenced backyard, 2 sheds, lots of great things going on here. Let's go take a look. And here we are in the backyard. We've got a beautiful fenced in yard. Look at the 50 wide lot, nice and spacious. Great activities for kids or dogs, or if you just want to get away from people. It's got a pergola. If you don't like the sun, you got great shade. You got that double garage. You got parking beside the garage for an additional car. So many great things going on here. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 146 Ridley. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for that property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.